screen, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
So we have two different types of alerts. One is web-based alerts. Second one is window-based alerts. Okay, so we have to handle web-based alerts in different way and window-based alerts in a different way. First of all, let us understand what are the web-based alerts. See, if you see this tutorial, we have actually web-based alerts, three different alerts we have. Three different types of web-based alerts we have. So one is simple alert. Second one is prompt alert. Third one is confirmation alert. So simple alert is nothing but in even all these alerts in our regular basis, whenever we are using some of web applications, we used to come across these kind of alerts. So what are those alerts in the sense? For example, when you are registering some application, you are missing some of the mandatory fields. So you will be getting some alert, right? When you miss something important or it is mandatory to fill that field, but you missed it. Maybe unknownly or unknownly, due to some reason you missed something. But that is really important and that is mandatory to finish that registration or finish that form filling. So during that situations, you will see some alert message saying, please fill all the fields. And sometimes it will also say, maybe if one or two fields you are missing, you missed a username, you missed a password, please fill that. Like that, it will show. Means it will show the message and it will also give you an option to accept that alert. Accept is nothing but OK button here. Guys, clearly understand? This is simple alert. The simple alert will only give a message and the accept button. And what is a prompt alert? Prompt alert along with the message, it will also allow you to enter which you are missing in the form, or you are missing in the registration, or you are missing in some form filling. And it will also give you the dismiss button or a cancel button. You can provide the value which you are missing in the alert itself and click on OK, means it will directly take. Or you don't want to mention in the alert, you go back to the form and there only you want to fill which you are missing. You can cancel this alert and you go back. Okay, that is nothing but a prompt alert. What is a confirmation alert? For example, if there is a data which is really important and you are trying to delete the data. For example, you have a Facebook account. When by mistake you are deleting the Facebook account and without alerting you, it is directly deleting, means you lost so much of data there, right? So, but for every application, they put such kind of alerts saying that it will take a confirmation from the user side. Is he really want to delete that account? Or sometimes you add a beneficiary in your net banking or a mobile banking to send some amount to beneficiary, and you are trying to delete that beneficiary because we are using smartphones nowadays, right? And unknowingly also we will click a delete button without alerting the customer. It is directly deleting, means then it is customer is losing the data. So that's the reason the application providers are giving some feasibility to the end user, saying that if you really want to delete, yes, you can click on OK. Otherwise, you can cancel also. See, that's how it is saying, like, do you really want to delete this customer? It is asking the confirmation from the customer. So that is why it is called as a confirmation alert. So we have three different types of web-based alerts. One is a simple alert, which have only the alert message and the accept button. And we do have a prompt alert, which will allow us to enter the data inside the alert, and we can have an accept and dismiss button. Third one is a confirmation alert. So it says the alert message and also accept and dismiss. Okay, it's kind of a confirmation which is getting from the customer. Got it, guys? Any doubt? Theoretically, any understanding problems or anything?
No.
All clear?
Yes.
If I ask next time, what is confirmation, what is prompt, and what is prompt and what is simple alert, you can say, right? I
Can
want
you
everyone
explain,
to answer.
can
Yeah,
you explain the,
Hmm.
hang on,
which one? Which one?
web-based alert,
These
please?
three are the web-based alerts.
All these, but in the first one was what?
All these three comes under web-based alerts.
Right. Okay, so a simple alert, prompt alert, and confirmation alert.
Yes, all these three are comes under web-based alerts because these things are happening in the web application when you are performing certain action in the web application and it is opening an alert. So that's why it is called as a web-based alerts.
Okay, so now simple alert is, can you repeat that again, please?
Simple alert just have a alert message and accept button. For example, you are missing some important data and you are trying to click finishing that particular registration or a form filling. So obviously you are missing some important data. So it will show in alert. You never seen such kind of situations in your these many days we are using a web applications, right?
Yeah, I did. I'm just writing down while you speak.
So that is nothing but a simple alert. Simple alert will only have the alert message. If any important data is missing in the missing in the application, and it will also give you the accept button. Okay.
Right.
And a prompt alert will give you a possibility to enter the data which you are missing, and also it will have the dismiss button as well. Because you doesn't want to enter here, you want to go back and enter in the application itself. So means in the form itself. So then that's why prompt alert is having both accept and dismiss button. Accept you should use when you enter the data, then you can accept. If you doesn't want to enter, then you can dismiss. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Confirmation is
Can you,
something when you are deleting some important information or modifying some important or updating some important information. So which is like, really a matter of what I can say. It is really important to the end user, that particular data. So then that during that situations, it will ask the customer confirmation before to update or delete or do some modifications. Okay.
okay, so like, it basically is asking permission to do some type of, operations?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, that's what I said, net banking, right? When you
right,
have a beneficiary, you're not wantedly doing, but if just with one click it is deleting, you are losing the data there, right?
right,
Rather than it is giving you an alert saying that, are you sure you really want to delete this beneficiary means, okay, maybe you are by mistake you are doing. Sometimes you really want to do that, then you can accept that alert.
right. So
If it
basically
doesn't
like,
want, then you cancel it.
yeah, just to make sure.
Yeah, that just to make sure it is really from your side, that action is happening with your knowledge.
Right.
Okay, so let us do yeah, now any other person is having any other questions on this theoretical understanding of alerts, web-based alerts. So I'm taking this practice, URL, practice web application to perform the simple alert, confirmation alert, and the prompt alert. So let us see how we can able to perform these things. Let me create a class for this. Alerts. method. I'm creating public void. Method name is allow practice. I'm giving creating a method inside web driver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. Next, Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, next driver. So first you have to click on this alert, then only the alert box will open. So you have this and name is there. So I'm clicking, I'm copying that. So driver dot find element by dot we have a name. So I'm taking find element by dot name, providing the name here dot click. So first I am clicking on that, then only the alert will open. So whenever we are clicking on the alert, you cannot inspect this alert, guys. See, I'm trying to right click, it is not happening. So you cannot write the locator for this. So then what we have to do? We should switch to that alert to perform certain actions. So how we have to do that? Driver dot switch to is a method. Switch to. So So there is a alert. So this will make us to get into this alert. Then after getting into that alert, you have like accept, dismiss, and different kinds of method. I'm going to accept. Okay, what we are doing? We are switching to this alert and we are accepting this. That is what this step is going to do. And I'm also giving some time after this so that I can see whether this action is happening or not. Driver dot quit. So I saved it and I'm putting test and I'm also importing. And also done as destination. It's launching. Oh, I did not maximize it, guys. First of all, I did not give driver dot. Are you guys really following? Why you are not telling what mistake I have done here? I haven't even given the URL. How the browser will launch? Then after
I
that,
was thinking about it.
you should
I was
see.
looking. I was like, where is it? Where is the link?
See how important thing I missed. Okay. We are clicking the alert and we're switching to that alert and we are accepting it. Let's see whether this works or not. Yes, it is happening, right?
Yep.
Using my test is passed. Let us try prompt alert also. Okay. So after that, I have to click on maybe confirmation alert. You just practice on the prompt alert. Okay. So before doing, I have to click on the confirmation. Confirmation alerts. Okay, after clicking, so the alert will open now. What should I do now? Then driver dot, same switch to dot, alert dot. After this is open, I have a accept and dismiss both. I'm using dismiss because we already saw how accept works, right? So dismiss I'm giving. Let's see. If you dismiss, what will happen? It is closing. Okay.
Dismiss is a method like it's predefined that you are going to click on cancel
Yes.
itself.
Yes. Generally, it will show here you dismiss the alert and all, but in this, it is not showing. Okay. Obviously, it is dismissing. Okay. Dismissing means clicking on cancel. So it is opened simple alert, closed it, and then it is clicking on confirmation alert. Then it is clicking on cancel. Yes. And it's closing. Done now, guys. My test case is passed. Okay. So, and prompt alert, what we have to do. So click on this. You can send keys. You can use the send keys method to send the value. For example, you are sending yes, prompt alert, just click on OK. Or you're just canceling. It will show here, but it is not showing whether you have clicked on accepted or you're sending the value or not. So this is how generally it do. So if you are not handling this alert, you cannot able to do anything behind the screen. Until this alert is handled, you cannot able to do any kind of action behind the screen. Okay, the practice for you people is I'm sending this tutorial. You have to practice on how all these three kinds of alerts are working. Okay, so you have a code here also like accept, dismiss. You can also get the text from the alert, guys. For example, in the confirmation alert, I am confirmed is coming, right? So how can we get that text means?
Get text.
Yes, just we have a get text method. You can get the text. Okay. But you are directly writing the method, no, dismiss, then how can you get any one only you can able to perform. So during that situations, what we have to do, so just store this alert, what alert is returning, it is returning alert. So I'm storing into alert, and this is a confirmation alert. Okay. Now, if I want to perform multiple actions, what I do, I use this reference. So first I want to get the text. So get text. I'm calling get text means multiple actions if I want to do. Then after I will dismiss. Because these two in the single line, you cannot able to do it. So that's the reason I'm first storing the reference of that alert into a variable, and alert is returning alert. So that's the reason I'm storing in the alert. And let's see. And I have to print get text is returning string. So if I want to see it in console, I have to print this confirmation alert message. I'm storing into here and I'm printing this. so that the value will be printed. Guys, understanding what I'm trying to say? Generally, if you are directly switching to the alert, only one action you can perform. Either you can get the text or you can able to dismiss or accept the alert. But I want to do multiple actions, means first store that value into some variable. So store that alert into some variable and you can perform different actions. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm first getting the text from that alert and I'm also dismissing that alert. Let's see whether it is getting the text from confirmation alert or not. Okay, it's closing. I think so. Can you see? I am confirmed.
Yes.
Right? It is returning
Yeah.
the alert message or not,
Yeah.
right? So this
Yeah.
is how you can even get the text from alert and you can send keys to the alert and you can accept the alert and you can dismiss the alert. Okay. Any doubts, guys?
No.
Anyone want this code? Take a screenshot or something, or you can practice on your own because the tutorial link is given here and the practice link also I'm giving. This practice link also I'm giving the URL. Just use this URL because it's not visibly showing what we are going to do. Let me just get another. So you selected cancel, it is coming, right? Able to see? So like that, it will say what we are actually doing. So you can try this also.
Yeah, it's showing you selected cancel.
You may try this also, but looks like this particular website is having some problem. But try maybe this site also you can try. And I'm giving the this is the okay, this is best, I think. You can try this one, okay? You clicked on cancel. This is a prompt alert. Okay. You are also know whether you have entered what it is. Okay, this is the best, guys. Try to use this one. Okay. It's a good website.